In today's tutorial, we're going to learn about Solidity static analysis, which is a plugin that performs static analysis on Solidity smart contracts. So once they are compiled, it will check for security vulnerabilities and also bad development practice, which is also called code smells, among other issues. So to install the plugin, we'll go over to this our plugin symbol here. If you keep your cursor, you get to see its plugin manager. So let me take it again. Plugin manager. All right, so you click on the plugin manager. We have so many other plugins. So to make it easier for us, so we can search for static. We will have it here. So you click on activate, and when you activate, you get to see the plugin here. So you can also deactivate to take it out if you don't want it anymore, and activate. You have it here. All right, so to make it start working, start checking our codes. Okay, before then, let us check few other important stuff. So these are the areas the Solidity static analysis checks. It checks for security, checks for gas and economy, checks for EROC, and also miscellaneous. So under the security, you have areas it checks for you, which are your block hash, self-destruct, which is contract using destructed contract can be broken. So these are the areas it will check for you and more other ones. You have the gas and economy, check if your gas cost is too high. This on local cost, invocation of local function via this for loop over dynamic arrays. So you have a EROC decimal should be, so EROC decimal should always be uint 8. So you have miscellaneous, constant view pure functions, potentially constant view pure functions, similar variable names. So these are the areas it checks for you. So if you don't want it to check for everything, you click on, you deselect the select all, and you select the areas you wish or you really want it to check out for you. But it's advisable to have the select all on or checked. Then you can also uncheck the auto run. Auto run is when you compile it automatically run for you, but if you don't want that, you leave it and you run it manually, but having auto run is much better. All right, so let us go over to our code and click on hello world. It's compiling and it has given us an analysis for that. So one of the analysis is gas cost. So most of the analysis we have here is gas cost. So we have gas cost, the gas requirement of the function, hello.if statement is infinite. If the gas requirement of a function is higher than the block gas limit, it cannot be executed. Please avoid loops in your function. So which is this function here? So let us check. Okay, let's go back to contact. So we are having 3 economy and we are having miscellaneous, which is the contact.find contact. Mixing of name and unnamed return parameters is not advised. Case is 18, find contact. So line number 18, find contact. So these are the analysis to give to you, and you get to modify your code and write the best code and put it to production, and you're very, very sure that you've given the public what they want. You have written the best code because you have a code analysis plugin that checks everything for you. So we can go further to check other codes. It is same on gas cost, and we have lottery, which is donate, which is okay. Miscellaneous donate dot donate name donate me dot donate potentially should be constant view or pure, but is not, which is the function. Okay, so let me see that, and it's off. It's be there. Okay, it's off. All right, so this is just how it is. So when you make the modifications that are necessary, it goes off. So this is how it is, and thank you.